The Justice Haruna Samani-led group of justices in charge of the Presidential Election Petition Court has dismissed an application requesting the petition court to allow the live televising of its ongoing proceedings. The applications filed by Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party and Peter Obi of the Labour Party were seeking that the ongoing hearing of their petitions challenging the outcome and conduct of the February 15th general election, which produced Bola Tinubu of the ruling All Progressives Congress (APC) as president-elect, be broadcast live to the entire country. However, the tribunal sitting in Abuja on Monday, May 22, dismissed the application on the grounds that there was no legal regulatory framework in place to permit such a request. The court maintained that since the application was not part of any relief sought in the petitions brought before it, and the applicants have failed to properly establish how live streaming the proceedings would enhance their case, they cannot permit a dramatization of their court proceedings, with Justice Samani holding that the application was based on a sentimental claim that such broadcast would benefit the electorate. The duo of Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi, through their lead lawyers, Chief Chris Ude, SAN, and Dr. Livy Uzoku, SAN, insisted that their petitions was a matter of national concern and involved the collective interest of all the citizens of Nigeria who took part in the polls. The PDP and Atiku, who had filed for the application first, argued that their case against the emergence of Tinubu as winner of the election was a unique electoral dispute and that millions of Nigerians, as major stakeholders in the electioneering process of the country, had the constitutional rights to be part of the proceedings. The two major petitioners had specifically applied for an order permitting the admission of the media and their equipment into the courtroom, with the argument, which is not alien to the court, would boost public confidence in the judiciary process. Meanwhile, earlier on, the president-elect Bola Tinubu, alongside his vice president-elect Kashim Shettima and his party, All Progressives Congress (APC), had urged the Tribunal Court to dismiss the request, arguing that it had no bearing with the petition and was an abuse of the legal process. They also insisted that the court was not an arena for entertainment. The APC, through its legal team led by Prince Lateef Fagbemi, SAN, argued that the election was not a subject of any national concern, as it was well put together by the Independent National Electoral Commission. They also insisted that, contrary to Atiku's claim, there was nothing peculiar about the electoral dispute to warrant the proceedings of the court being subjected to undue media trial and sensationalism of the media aimed at distracting the court from going about its business properly, adding that a televised proceeding will only cause unnecessary tension and unrest among the citizens. The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, also opposed the live televising of the proceedings. Mary Okaka reporting for VOS TV.